This is the instructional tutorial for how to play Have Yourself a Merry Little Christmas. And this is a challenge. So if you're a novice or intermediate player even, welcome, good luck. But this is for more, advanced players, people with a little bit of experience. But try it, let's see. So let's go over some of the chords that you're gonna need. We're actually just gonna go down the song. Let's use the chord view. If you're not familiar with how to play any of these chords, you can learn right now. It's in the key of G, and it starts off pretty easy. G, and then G, go figure. E minor, actually I lied, it doesn't start off super easy. It starts off kind of medium. And then A minor, and then D7. I use the easy D7. G, A minor, D7, E minor, A minor, D7. Same thing. So same thing again. From now on, our troubles will be miles. And then our troubles will be out of, and then sight. I think the chords were just out of my sight. B7 here, E7 there, and then A7, D7. So not too bad. Maybe the B7 is unfamiliar. The second time, so we're going to skip down to right about here, this line right here. From now on, our troubles will be miles away. So it starts off the same, but then instead of playing A7, D7, we play F and G7 because we're going to the chorus or the bridge. I don't know how to call it, what it's called, but we're gonna play C major 7. So that's right here. Here we are as in, and then B minor, olden days, right? So bar chord. Happy golden days of yore. There you go. A little mini bar chord for the G major 7. Faithful friends who are dear to us, gather, D, gather near to us. Get in the shot there. Gather near to us once more. You got that part. And that's pretty much it. And then the next part, the fourth part, which is, where is it? Down here. The fourth part down here is basically the same as this one. So not too bad. It does have a lot of chords, and they come pretty much every couple beats. So it's not super fast. It's a fun song. I think it's really satisfying. What I would do is just work on maybe the middle section. It's an AABA song, so work on the B section, the third part. And I think you guys can do this. It's not that bad. The chords that are a little different, like the C major 7, G major 7, they're actually pretty easy. There's nothing fancy about them. If you can play the regular C chord, you can play C major 7. It's just second fret instead of third fret. So pretty simple. So that's the good news. I would say the hardest chords here: E minor, B minor, if some of you have trouble with bar chords. So just work on those. And the rest of it is actually pretty easy. It's not too bad. Just have fun, go over it a bunch of times. I do recommend downloading the play-along track. So if you want to do that, you can get the song sheet and the play-along track here at patreon.com/Kalani. And then if it's during the holidays and you want to enter the Ukulele Holiday Challenge, you can do that by clicking the link below and maybe winning an ukulele. Who knows? But be sure to subscribe before you click away. Appreciate that. Hit the bell if you like this channel, you like the content, you'd like to know when I'm doing something so you get notified. And really, have yourself a Merry Little Christmas or a Merry Gigantic Christmas. Have any kind of holiday you want. It doesn't even have to be Christmas. Have yourself a merry celebration. All right. Thanks for watching. This is the Ukulele Club channel. I'm Kalani. Thanks for tuning in.